Ever wondered how to clean your Blackstone griddle effectively? Let's dive in. First things first, gather your tools. You'll need a griddle scraper for removing food residue. Paper towels will come in handy for wiping off grease and oil. Have some water ready for rinsing, and finally, a bit of oil to maintain your griddle's seasoning. Got all your tools ready? Great! Now, onto the cleaning process. The cleaning process is simple, but it needs your careful attention. First and foremost, grab your trusty griddle scraper and get to work. Scrape off all the food residues, no matter how stubborn. Next, let's bring in the paper towels. Wipe the surface clean, taking care to remove any remaining particles. Now, it's time for a thorough cleaning session. Pour a small amount of water onto the hot griddle surface. It'll sizzle, steam, and lift any leftover bits. Carefully wipe the griddle clean. Apply a thin layer of oil to the entire griddle surface. This helps maintain the griddle's seasoning. And voila! Your griddle is clean and ready for the next cooking session. So, cleaning your Blackstone griddle isn't that hard, right? Leave your favorite tips for cleaning your griddle in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and be sure to visit culinarycrossover.com for more.